Do you want to be able to fix archived stories missing on Instagram? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to just go into your Instagram app and then come to your profile right here, as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do, you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be able to view this like options right here, as you can see. But in here, you're going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click right here. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, scroll down a little bit, and then you're going to click where it says help. So click on help. And now you're going to click on report a problem. And once again, click on report a problem. Click on include and continue in here. And now you're going to write exactly like this to the Instagram support. I want to be able to bring back archived stories on my Instagram account. They are now missing. I need this to be fixed. So this is what you need to write to them exactly. I want to be able to bring back archived stories on my Instagram account. They are now missing. I need this to be fixed. Now click on send in the top right corner. What you're going to do after this is to close the app, and then you're going to go into the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And in here, you're going to search for Instagram. So search for Instagram in here. Scroll down, and then you're going to click on the update button right here. As you can see, it's very important that if you do have an update button, that you click on it. Sometimes you need to click on it 2 times for some reason, but make sure that you update your Instagram app to the latest version after you have done this. And if you don't have the update button, don't worry, you will probably need to wait 24 to 48 hours, and then hopefully you will also have the update button in here. But then after, go back into your Instagram app, and I hope that this will now be fixed for you.